Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to touch upon some quick things. So, what exactly is going to happen in this program? You know, I'm going to keep it as very simple as possible. I may throw in some extra stuff throughout the program, but I'm not going to, hit that until later. Here is the basics of the program. First of all, I'm going to put you guys, first of all, if you're actually going to do the program, because I have about 50 of you who at some point place a time either responded on Facebook or responded to me in person or email that you're interested in doing this program. So if you're interested in doing this program, what I need you to do is press the going section on the invite so I know that you're committed. Even if you said yes on the Facebook page, you told me yes in person, I need you to hit the going, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the people in that going section and put you in a Facebook page called Doctor's Orders. This is not the invite; it's a Facebook page. Plus, I need a level of commitment, because if you can't even commit to just saying going, I don't see how you're going to commit to a 60-day program. I really need to know who's really going to do this or not. I don't know if you say, yeah, I'm going to do this, and then after reading the page, you're like, I don't know if this is for me. It's cool. If it's not for you, it's cool. We're still friends. We'll still chill. We'll still hang out. It's perfectly fine. This is not going to be, I think this program works for everyone, but we all have different things going on in our lives. And I know a lot of you have different things going on, or you decide to do another fitness type program. That's perfectly fine. A lot of things change from week to week. You may have told me last week you were going to do this program, and now you decide, well, I'm going to do something else. That's perfectly fine. Press going. If you do not press going at all in this invite, I'm not going to pull you over to the Doctor's Orders page. So I need you to press going. I need to know who's really, really committed, because it's going to be a serious program with serious results. So I'm going to take the people from that going and put them into a Facebook page. On this Facebook page, simple and easy for you guys. Just go to the Facebook page every day, and I'm going to post a workout of the day. Simple. A lot of the workouts are going to be similar. A lot of the workouts is going to be, similar from week to week. Why? Because I'm trying to simulate as much as possible what I would do if I were going to put this on a DVD program. That's number one. Number two, I want you from week to week to see improvements. There's sometimes I may do a very similar workout, but may add an extra bonus move in there. So they're meant to be intense. The programs are designed to have you. Should take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes, the workout itself. So that's what this program is designed. So 30 to 40 minutes a day. I may even throw a couple other programs in there that may take anywhere from 45 to 50 minutes. I want to try to make this as efficient as possible. So please do the programs every single day. And I want active participation. If you didn't feel like doing the workout that day, post that. I didn't feel like doing the workout. I was tired. I hurt my shoulder. I have this injury. I have this question about nutrition. So post questions. I'll do my best to answer them or find somebody to answer the questions. You just go to the Facebook page every day and do it. Was told what I tell you to do on that Facebook page. It's easy. No DVD to upload yet. That's going to be totally different. I'm not going to put in your mind anything else. I just want you to focus on this test group. Every day, go to the Facebook page and do what I tell you to do every day. Get a MyFitnessPal account to keep track of your nutrition. So, and I'll try to summarize in a page, in a document, some nutritional guidelines that you should follow, that I really would like you to follow as close as possible. Now, if you have any questions, I do have friends who are experts, and I'll try to get those questions out to my friends to help me answer a lot of these questions that I have no idea of answering. So I tell people I'm not an expert. I'm just surrounded by a lot of smart people who I learn from, and I absorb their information. And it looks like I knew it all along. When I didn't know it, I just learned it from somebody else and absorbed it. So that's that. What do you need for this program? You're going to need dumbbells. You're going to need dumbbells. You're going to need dumbbells, jump rope. If you don't have dumbbells or you can't get dumbbells, you could use an elastic band. I'm trying to make this program as universal as possible, and you could also use a pull-up bar too, because I want to make this program as universal as possible to help as many people as possible. If I put too many complex things into this program, then I don't think it'll be helpful for a lot of people. I'm not going to put 24-inch box jumps in the program. A lot of people don't have that or have access to that, or want to go out and buy new equipment. A lot of people have resistance bands and dumbbells, at least in their house. I want to utilize those. And you're not going to see any kettlebell stuff in this program, because a lot of people don't have kettlebells, But a lot of people have dumbbells or elastic bands. The purpose of this program is, again, for you to be a better version of yourself. Now, I'm not trying to train professional athletes. If I were to do that, then I would have a lot more complex equipment, a lot more complex instructions. But I just want you to be the better version of yourselves. It's going to be pretty intense. So you're going to feel like, oh my gosh, he is training me like he's trying to kill me. That was a scratch. I did it on purpose. So every day I'm going to post a workout suggestion and some motivational video that I either found or found for somebody else, or then I'm posting from myself like I am now. So please, let me know. Hit the going. Once I know you're going, I'm going to put you in the Doctor's Orders Facebook page closer towards the end of the month. I need to know who's really dedicated to sticking this out for the full 60 days. If you don't press going, I'm going to assume that you're not interested. Okay? So if you don't see this video and you don't know to press going, or you didn't remember to press going, then I'm going to assume that you don't have the interest level to at least remember or watch this video. You're not interested in doing this program. You know, the way I see it, if between now and the end of the month, if you can't remember or you forget to press going, I don't see how you're going to stick to a 60-day program. In this 60-day program, I want everyone's input every single day. Let me know how you feeling, how you doing. You know, if you need to drop out the program, it's perfectly fine. I'll still work with you one-on-one. I just want to use you for this test group. It's perfectly fine. It doesn't mean that I'm not going to talk to you. I'm not going to deal with you. No, I'll just coach you in a different way, separate from this specific program. That's all. Maybe this program isn't for you. Maybe I need to adjust things for you. Maybe I need to change things around for you. It's perfectly fine. I'm here to help everybody. All right? So, you know, that's that. That's that. I'm keeping it simple. That's what the program is going to consist of. You going to a Facebook page and doing the workout that I tell you to do every day. Boom. That's it. Nutrition. Follow what I tell you on my nutritional recommendation guideline. It's going to be a one-page document. Boom. That's it. Simple. I tell people fitness is simple. I think it's our minds that we make it more complicated. And every once in a while, you know, I'm going to have some people help me. I may throw in some bonus. Like we may have a Google chat, you know, session that I may open up to everyone where you can actually in live time, you know, actually ask me questions. What I like about Google Chat, because I did it about once or twice before, is that I actually can, for free, I could talk to you and pull up a PowerPoint presentation right next to me about some topics, so I could do that. So I'm excited, and then if this program gets picked up or launched, trust me, it'll be a lot more. I'll be doing a lot more advanced things that I think will be exciting, and you guys can say you were on the ground floor of doing something exciting. Now, I'll be totally honest. If any of you do very well with this program, like if you lose, you know, a crazy amount of weight doing this program, then I may talk to you separately. I'm going to inbox you separately and ask, can I use your before and after pictures? You know, last thing, that's going to be in a separate message or video. What pictures you should be taking, what you should be tracking. That's a totally separate video. Right now, just remember, go to the Facebook page every day and do what Dr. Perry tells you to do. Or Dr. Will, or Doc Beast, whatever you want to call me. All right? That's all you need to remember. Thanks.